Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a paper tearing effect in a video on CapCut. So here, what you need to do is import the main clip into CapCut and then add the tearing paper video as the overlay. So you can easily find it in the CapCut stock videos. So add it as overlay. Found it on the green screen category. Okay, this one's right here. Select it, click on add, and now adjust the size and get rid of the green screen by going to the chroma key under the remove background menu. Adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you don't need to make the intensity 100. I'm going to go with 40. Click on a check icon and you are done. So this is the final result. And that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.